Hey, hello guys. So today is our third day of phase zero. I think within 2 or 3 more days our phase zero will be end and proper execution will start. Then we don't give any reasons. So we have to complete our daily task from our phase one. And phase zero is basically just a replica of phase one. We are trying to how we are seeing that how things are going. We are able to I'm able to survive that phases are coming in or not. So let's see. So let's first discuss about today's. So yeah, as usual, I wake up at 7, do half an hour exercise. After that, I did breakfast, and at 9 a.m. regularly, I sit on my table and start uh, fundamental part of the front end development. So let me tell you, today I learn. Sorry. So today I learn about basically use memo and use callback. So I have a little bit idea of them, but I'm not sure about that their use cases. But when I learned today, I got a pretty good idea about that. So let me tell you what is it. So first, let's think we have one functional component. Okay, in that functional component we have our regular states, and in which I have very one function which calculate heavy calculation was going on in that function. And yeah, normal. After that we have normal things. So what happened now, if anytime any state or any prop can change, that trigger the that heavy execution, that because that function will call, and that heavy execution will happen again and again. And due to this lots of memory will consume, lots of computational power will gonna use, and our application may get slow. And for preventing this type of issue, use memo comes in a picture. So what happened, use memo what did now, so actually it's memorize that value. So uh, it's take the value of that heavy computational, it's memorize it, and it see if that value has changed, then it's trigger it's trigger that re-render. If the value hasn't changed, then re-render didn't trigger. So use memo, we have the hook called use memo, in which we have the callback. That callback we are calling that computational means higher computational type of program in that. And we have one dependency array. When that dependency array change, then our that functional function have a heavy coding or heavy things will run, and neither that didn't run. So yeah, that's how use memo do that things. So basically use memo actually memorize the value. Okay, so yeah, that was the simple part. But what happened, if because what happened now, when component get re-rendered, function also created. Because we have I have one functional component. Let me tell you what happened actually. I have one functional component. Okay, so when uh, my functional component get re-rendered, the function inside that function, because let's see I have a handle click or any other function, what happened at that time, that function also recreated. And what is meant by recreated I will tell you. Because before re-render, that function having one reference value, and after re-render that reference value change. When we do in JavaScript like a function before render equal to function after render, it gives us false because the reference has been changing. Because that means that that function will recreated and assign new reference. uh, It was okay, but it also consume maybe causing lots of things, slow re-renders or not. But for a low level, it was not harming that much. But what happened if I have a one child component, okay, and in child component I pass that function, okay. I pass that function. What happened when that function change, then the child component thinks we also need to, because function change, they also think that we also render the child component again. And what happened because of that, our child component also get a re-render again and again. So for preventing this type of a scenario, use callback comes in a picture. What use callback did na, it memorized the function reference. It check the function hasn't means the function actually changed or not. If the function really changed, then and then it's trigger render. And if function was not changed, then it's told the that child component using react memo that our function hasn't changed, so we did not need to re-render our child component. Yeah, basically that's the idea of use memo and use callback. Use memo basically memorize the value, and use callback basically memorize the function reference. Yeah, so I also will today learn about that things. After that, I solved some question around it, which going fine. I have some doubt, but clearly I asked ChatGPT and Google, and think I have clear idea now. I also taken write down notes as well. So after that, 9 to 11 part was complete. After that, we have the DSA part. So I start the DSA. I told you earlier that Akshay Seni course. So first we just cover basic things like let, const, var, if else, etc, loop, etc. So in when we comes to the loop, problems get more real, and we try to do some sort of problems using loops, basic problems. Yeah, find largest number or not, sort of that. And yeah, the final question was about the find second largest number. So it when we think finding second largest number, it's too easy. But when I write down the code, I'm little confused. It take me around, I think 20 minutes to half hour, I think, to solve that problem. But finally I solve it. Yeah, so about DSA I learned those things. I learn about loops, functions, if else, basic things, because I think that course will start from the basic. And after I think 4 or 5 days, after 4 or 5 days, we see the actual problems. Yeah, so DSA part was pretty good. After that, project building, I started the project. Basic things are I started designing part also. Some designing part was remaining till now, but I am figuring out. So project building was going little slow, but maybe I think within 2 days I will figure it out. Yeah, and job application part is also going good. Today I didn't receive any call, by the way. But yeah, I think it was also going good. I am applying also. I try to get all applications, and I am from that, like a Naukri, LinkedIn, etc. Lots of applications are there, cut short, indeed. Yeah, I will try to apply from all of them. But after that, yeah, communication part, I started to think in English. Sometimes I switch in Marathi, but yeah, it's okay. I try to think in English, maybe. And I'm sometime when I'm seeing any videos or anything, any English content, I try to pause them and try to replicate them. Yeah, that's kind of things. Because I think when I am learning is a thing like when I practice more, then and then I get it's like a muscle building. While seeing other people's doing exercise, that don't get build my body. I have to work hard, so I have to speak uh, grammar and past tense, present tense. I think that was the issue, but it can be cleared slow by slow, but we have to speak at least. Then we started thinking in it, and the words come in our mind. What happened actually when we explain anything, some we have the thing in our mind, but it's not come on our tongue, so words are not coming, so we have to try to speak. Yeah, that was for today. I think today is the Saturday. I do basic task. While we complete our daily routine. That's it. Today is the day 3, and uh, we actually I didn't see any progress. I personally feel, but about rating, for let's give the today rating. So I think yesterday was about we did 60. I think today is about 70. We complete most of the part, uh, and I tell you that I didn't feel like, because skills are a thing. The knowing one thing, knowing means conceptual knowledge is one thing, and having hands-on practice is one thing. I think I'm lacking on that, having hands-on practices, because I sometime I didn't when I see the problem, it didn't click in my mind. I am not able to think the right approach, so I think maybe that was the issue. I have to work on that as well. Yeah, because it's necessary. If we are targeting a job like to from 10 to 12 LPA, we have to be good in what we are doing. So yeah, that is the okay, one second. That is the motto for today, to learn what we learning, and do more hands on. We have to be pro developer. So, and the thing is, we have to try. If I didn't try, and then I think I'm not able to do it. We have to try. I assign 90 days for that. So let's try at least 90 days. What happen if I get a job? Well and good. If I didn't get a job, I'm not sure what will be the next plan. But I will try my best to getting a new job. Yeah, yeah, that's it. uh, if anything I want to say, nothing was there, but yeah, actually sometimes I feels like, if the certain type of peoples, my friend, my family, my loved ones, if they are not in my life, I didn't push so much hard, because I think for myself, I didn't want to do anything for myself, because I'm means I accept failure, means in early stages, but due to the peoples who are looking up to me, I want, uh, for from for them I have to work hard. That type of a thinking I have, because I want to be a big tree, to give shelter everyone. So yeah, that's it. That's my basically the motivation. Because if I am only one, then I didn't think so I push too hard. I'm just doing regular things in my regular company, uh, but I have big dreams for them as well. I want to be them, to see me to going being successful life. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's see how it's going on. Sometimes I feared a lot what happens in the future, but yeah, this is the just beginning. Only 3 days has been going, and we did a very good. I think on day one to today's the day 3. I think our graph is slowly by slowly going up, but yeah, we have to push hard as much as we can. We have to work on our I think problem solving conceptual. That is the one part, having a fundamental and core knowledge, and another part is getting up matlab means getting an opportunity, and that opportunity convert into the lead. And for that we have to be good at communication. And you know guys, how I am in communication, I am lacking very much. But yeah, we have to be good at in communication and job applying. We have to sell ourselves so good that we can make a place in market. We have to build our resume good. We have to socialize, means we have to make ourselves as a brand, and put on the platform. Like I have to build a project and put on the platform like Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., etc., so people can get know about me and they can approach me. Then know, because I think the resume is very old way to showing our skills. Because while seeing resume, I think everyone's resume looks pretty similar. They have their lots of skills, lots of project, and then while in experience they good, they put down their good works. Everyone has the same template. But I think if I want to be stand out, I have to build something which is great, which is useful, and I have to put in market. uh, when people are using it, and they will approach me for that task, because they know if a person can build this type of things, maybe he has a core knowledge or like that. So they also build a sort of confidence about us. Yeah. mm, yeah, that's it for today. I think we have to work hard. We have to build project building is the key thing. Communication is a key thing. We have to, means I think 30%, if 50%, I think, yeah, it's a 40% about conceptual knowledge, 30% is about your communication, and remaining 30% is about you how you get, means fetching the opportunity and converting them into the lead. Yeah, that's my perspective. And we will try to achieve that. We will try to be good in every sector. So if I'm average in every sector now, I think I am at very high level. Because while we seeing the competition around us, people are lacking so many things. They are lacking in core skills, they are lacking in communication, lots of things. Because I think they have a good, I think their luck, maybe they have good luck, uh, due to, and some of them are very good knowledge as well. But I'm not comparing myself to the some of peoples. I am just generalizing, because lots of peoples around me, I think I see, they didn't have any knowledge. They are doing their job like a routine. They didn't have a big dreams. I don't know why, but yeah, that's it. And I have to be surpass that type of people. And I want to be compared myself to the that chunk who are working hard. They have actual knowledge. I have to be, means at least to down on down on theirs. Yeah, like that shit. But let's see what happen. We will try our best. Today, tomorrow was a Sunday, and Sunday was not about to work, so we have to do some productive. I plan to uh, explore there is a Kothurud Hills around there, so I plan to explore a little bit around us. Let's see. I will tell you what happened tomorrow at the tomorrow's video. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.